How do you get diagnosed with narcissistic personality disorder? Before we jump down that rabbit hole, let me first say, a narcissist will try to convince you that you're the narcissist, and it's very common for victims and survivors to believe that they are the abuser. What I hear a lot of is that if you're considering that you're a narcissist, then you're definitely not one. This comes from the knowledge that narcissists generally don't believe that there's anything wrong with them, and so they don't self-reflect. So if you're self-reflecting, you couldn't be a narcissist. I'll just go ahead and debunk that right here. I totally understand why people feel that way, but fundamentally, that's not true. Step 1, you need a mental health professional, a psychologist, psychiatrist, or psychotherapist. Tests include the Personality Diagnostic Questionnaire 4, Clinical Multi-Axial Inventory, and the International Personality Disorder Examination. One thing I feel compelled to add is that narcissism does not cause abuse, and not all narcissists are abusive.